how that is?
That's great.
Yep.
Okay.
And this here. He'll have the mat.
Okay.
He'll
Yep.
have his towel. He'll have
Yep.
his... And before he used to have to come out, like hold on to this and try to come around and sit down.
Right. Was it
After coming out of that off the chair.
was it safe, or do you think it was unsafe?
I think, well, he was steady with it, but I think this is more safety.
Oh yeah.
Oh, definitely.
And do you think it's
And
easy?
yes, he'll get up himself because he does adjust the showers when he goes in. I don't know if he'd try it this way. I think he'd be put it on or sit back. But I like it. I like it much better.
And you see how easy it flips up? Did you want to try that?
Yes. Oh, very nice. And down.
And then down. Right? Any issues with that?
None at all.
Right, so you would step in, and then then you can lower it down in back of him, then he can sit.
Right.
While he holds on to the bar.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So you step in,
Okay.
hold on to the bar, turn to your right. Yep. And then someone just slips this down,
Yes.
Yep.
And then he sits down.
and you sit down.
Great.
That's it.
And then he just gets up
That's it.
when he has to
Yep.
do this.
Yep.
Or,
And it gives you lots of flexibility.
right.
And once it's in, that's not going to move on you.
No,
Yeah, and he can stand right there under it.
that's right.
Yep. And he has something to hold on
And as you say,
to.
hold it.
Or
I can drape it over this.
yeah, or you just
Like that.
like that.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
And now it's set.
It is. Coming at him.
That's right.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, I think he'll enjoy it.